Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn with Yenn. I hope you are as excited as I am because in this video we will be doing an experiment. But do remember to ask a grown-up for help before doing this experiment. The experiment that we will be doing today is dancing popcorn. Yes, by using the right ingredient, you are able to make popcorn kernels dance in a jar. Come, let's get the things we need to make this experiment. We will need a glass jar filled with 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, a little bit of white vinegar, and some popcorn kernels. Now for the fun part. Pour the baking soda into the water. And stir until the baking soda is dissolved. Next, you want to put in your popcorn kernels. Finally, pour the vinegar into your jar. Wow! Can you see that? Now the popcorns are dancing! The science behind this experiment is when we mix baking soda and vinegar together, it will create a gas called carbon dioxide, which forms the carbon dioxide bubbles around the popcorn. So when the bubbles pops, the popcorn kernels fall back down. You can also try this experiment with beans, rice, pasta, or even paper clips and see how they dance. Try doing this experiment with your mommy and daddy at home, but this time using salt or sugar to replace the baking soda and see the reaction of the kernels. Did they react the same? Leave your comments below. I hope you learned something from this experiment. Thank you for watching this video. See you again soon. Bye!